y'all, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm so excited to show you guys my new personal item bag that I just got. I'm so excited I already started opening it up. But I got my new personal item bag that came in yesterday, and it is the Nomad Lane Bento Bag. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you guys what I think of this bag. So let's take it out. It comes in this dust bag. Here's the dust bag. So that's good. So if you're the type of person that puts your things up when you're not using them, I don't, by the way. But this is cool that it has its own dust bag that it comes with. And I got the berry color. I was kind of debating what color to get, but I got the berry color. And it is so cute. Look at this. Look at the color. So this is the front of the bag. Move the tag out of the way. So this is the front. You see here the Nomad Lane. That's really nice. This bag feels really, really good. And it looks really good too. Like this color, it looks really good. So this is where you have the trolley sleeve. See, you can put this on your suitcase, which is what I will be doing. But if you're not gonna put it on your suitcase and you wanna close this up, you can zip that up, of course, and then you can make this into a pocket. And it goes pretty deep. And then you have also a pocket right here, a smaller pocket. I've seen some people like put their phones there. See how my phone just went straight in like that? But I don't know if I would use it for that because I kind of like to keep my phone like right on me. So, but it's there in case you want to put anything else that you will need. Easy access right there. And then the front of the bag. So this is actually the front of the bag right here. But you have this pocket in the front right here. And it has 2 slots. And they go pretty deep. So 2 slots right here. And then you have these 2 pen slots right there. And then you have your handles. These handles are soft, and I like that they move, right? So if you're gonna put this bag underneath the seat on the airplane, then the fact that the handle actually folds down like this, I like that, because then that tells me that these are not like stiff and you can move them. So I like that. Okay, let's get into this first zipper right here. Still got stuff in here. Okay, so we have. Okay, so my bag came with the toiletry bag and I think the tech, where you keep your tech stuff, like your cords and stuff. So I think that's what this is. I think you have to pay for these separately if you don't get it in like a special where it comes with it. I'm not sure. But mine came with it. But this is, okay. So this is actually kind of small. I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger, but these look kind of small. So I don't know. My toiletry bag that I use right now is definitely bigger than this. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to use this as a toiletry bag. But it has Nomad Lane right here. Okay. Okay, so this is the toiletry bag. And then this is the tech pouch. Okay, so these are small. I thought these were gonna be way bigger. I don't know how you're supposed to fit like all your cords and accessories in here for your, phone or your laptop. I mean, my laptop cord alone, oh my goodness, well, the block is like about this big, so I don't know about this bag. This bag seems pretty small. But if you're just taking your charger or two, then I mean it has a pocket right here for stuff. Then you can put something right here. And then you have this zipper part right here. So I don't know, you guys might be able to make it work with what you carry, but I don't know. So I don't know if this is actually going to be useful for me a lot. I don't know, we'll test it out. I am going on a quick little 3-day trip next week, so I will be testing it out then. This bag will get its first test then. And then this one has the Nomad Lane right there. What else is in here? Okay, so we have so this is the strap for you to put on the side. So if you want to carry it. Okay, where's my other strap? Hold on. I'm doing this real time, y'all. Oh, it's right here. Oh, okay, so it crosses. So here's the other one. I was looking right here, but here's the other one. Okay, and that's the strap. So it feels really good. Okay, what else is in here? So that's it for this zipper part. And then let's take a look at this right here. So this side zip right here. So if we unzip this. Okay, so this is the water bottle slot. So this seems kind of small, so you wouldn't be able to put a big water bottle in here, but my water bottle that I'm gonna use from now on is one that I got from Starbucks when we went to Seattle. So it's a skinny mini bottle. So that would actually fit perfectly right here. But I like that you can zip this up. Like, I like that. See that? Zip that. I like that. That's kind of neat. Okay, let's move to the front again. And then you have these two pockets. So you got a pocket right here. And I think this is where, and then you got one right here. So both of these. So this is where your toiletry bag and your tech bag. This is where you would put those. They slide right in here. I do like that, and that was one of the reasons that was one of the things that drew me to this bag. That wasn't the only thing, obviously, but that was one of the things that drew me to this bag. But I like that it has these two slots right there, and they fit perfectly. Let me see if I can get it where you guys can see. There you go. So they fit perfectly in there, but you can put, I mean, this is big enough. If you don't want to use these bags, you can put like your own because the slot is big enough. So we're going to keep those there for now. And we're going to see the inside, which is really what drew me to this bag. So the bag, it lays flat like a suitcase when you open it up. So let me take out this paper in this first compartment. Okay. So in this side here where I just unzipped it, this is where your pouches went. So if you want to use your own toiletry bag or your own bag to put your cords and stuff like that, but they sit right here. But you can put other stuff in here. So that's pretty cool. So this is where you put, because it lays flat like a suitcase, right? So you put whatever you want to put here, whether you want to put clothes here or whether you want to put shoes. So you got a slot right here and then it zips up. And then on this side, that's strong. So you can put something here, maybe like a tablet if you guys carry a tablet. And then, is this the slot for the computer? I guess your computer goes here. Maybe here? I don't know, that was kind of small. Or maybe I don't know. Okay. And then you got these zippers. And then the zippers, you have more space. So yes, your computer goes here. So I don't know, I have like a 13.3 inch computer. So mine will fit right here, but I don't know if you have one that's larger, how it's gonna fit in here. I'm not sure about that. But then you have more space for more clothes. So that's the inside of the bag. And it seems like it's gonna hold a lot of, clothes that you might need for, I don't know how it's gonna do for like a long trip, but we have one of those coming up too where we're gonna be gone for like 12 days. So, but this is not gonna be our only bag. So this will be my personal item bag on that trip too. But it seems like this is like a lot. It might not look like it holds a lot, but it seems like it's gonna hold a lot. And I try to keep my personal item bag, I try to keep it light because if I have to carry it, whether it's on my back or not, I don't want it to be heavy. I want it to be light. And so this looks like it will get the job done. So I am excited to try this bag out. If you guys have this bag, let me know what you think. It's super cute. I really love this bag. So you guys let me know how you like it, if you guys have it, or if you don't have it, if you're thinking about it, just let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video.